Here I am with the new experimental version of Flared2, which I hope to release soon. Let me show you the massive fix I've implemented in this version. We have 30 flares on the scene, and we are working on an outdated computer, a 2017 Mac that, as you can see, doesn't have a GPU compatible with Metal. The CPU is an i7 6700, which is also quite old. I select all 30 empty objects to which I want to associate a flare. I choose flare number 1 and I add it. Okay, how long did it take? 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, more or less. Now it's optimizing the shaders, which is related to the obsolescence of my GPU. If you want, I can select a bunch of flare. We always have a bit of lag due to my ancient video card. I can delete all the flares present or just the selected ones. Basically, I can do whatever I want. And even here, the speed will be extremely fast. Delete all the flares or delete selected will be the same. In a second, it deleted them all. This is with the new version of Flared2. Now let me try it with the previous version, that is the one that I assume you are using now. Perfect, we are in the exact same scene, but as you saw, we've downgraded to version 51, which, if I'm not mistaken, is the one currently available on the store. We select our 30 empty objects and add flare 1. Notice the difference in the time taken. We had obvious issues with the Python code that have been fixed. And the endless seconds or minutes it's taking now indicate a speed increase of 500%, of 1000%, I don't know, you will tell me. Now I speed up the video to get to the end. I'm definitely embarrassed to see how much time a normal user would have spent adding 30 flares. There's no logical explanation for this, except that we used the code that needed optimization, and I apologize to all users for what they had to endure from November 7 until today. I promise that this version will be released as soon as possible. Thank you, and I wish you a Merry Christmas. While the video below continues, who cares? This is the past now. Cheers!